Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Phantom Wallet to bank account. Let's get started. First, open Phantom Wallet and go to your main dashboard, then tap the send button. Then select the crypto you want to withdraw like Solana or any other token you hold. You can't send directly to bank, so you need a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. On the exchange, go to deposit, then choose the same cryptocurrency and then copy your wallet address. Paste the address into your Phantom wallet and enter the amount, then tap send. Wait a few minutes for the crypto to arrive in your exchange account. Then on the exchange, sell your crypto into your local currency like USD, Euro, or Pesos. Then go to withdraw, enter your bank details, and confirm the withdrawal. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.